Let's see the message. Welcome to Mama Princesses. Welcome to Mama Princesses.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So today we have. What do we have, Bubby?
The LOL pack.
Yeah, so we got the brand new Series 4 LOL Surprise Pets. The Decoder series.
That's so cool.
And it comes with 7 surprises. A spyglass, a secret message, bottle, shoes, scooper, accessory, and the pet. We're so excited.
Can we open it? What's this? I got a message.
So we got the secret message.
Oops, I dropped it. Sorry.
Okay, so we got a secret message. We gotta see what it says. We gotta get the decoder.
We need to find a secret glass. That. Yeah.
Okay. We got a gold ball. Oh my goodness.
It's done.
We got a gold ball. We didn't even know that. We got a gold ball, guys. So, it comes with Miss Skunk or Le Pepe. I forgot the name. So, let's see.
Let's see a show baby.
No, I don't think Show Baby is a gold ball, babe.
Oh, I saw it in a box.
So, here you go. Here's the decoder. So, we're gonna see what it says.
Can I see it?
So it says sun and stars. Sunshine. Sunshine. Wanna hear it?
Right? Mama, look. Show baby.
So we got a gold ball, and Seiji's the one that actually picked this ball out. So Seiji, when she wakes up, she's gonna have to play with her. So, and the collector guide. So we got the glitterati, the pony and sugar and squeak, and then there's Dawn Pooch, she's cute, and then there's Miss Skunk, show, I didn't know it was show pony. Hop Hop Sprints Touchdown's pretty cute, and you got Angel Wing, Coco Hammy,
Coco Hammy?
yeah, Cozy Kitty, Snow Bunny, Chiarara, Teacher's Owl. She's cute. Kitty Doll, the Skunk Bebe, Cheeky Hedgehog, Funky Cat.
Mama, look at it in the back.
And then there's a message in the back. So we gotta do a little detective work. So it says, hey,
Mama.
pet secret message. Hey Sunshine, we were on a top secret mission when our pet went missing. She's got a secret clue that is the key and we gotta find her fast. Maybe she's hiding. Under wrap secret message. Little sisters. Oh, we need to get the big sister and little sister to figure this out. We're in disguise to make sure our cover wasn't blown and find out who we really are. We're keeping surprises under wraps. You can use your decoder to find clues. Match clues and symbols and fill in the blanks to decode our names. So I think this is in every single decoder series. And you gotta figure it out. The letters. How cool is that? Okay, so wanna start opening?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's see.
So we got a bunch of bags. I think we got the little ones. What is it?
I got glasses.
You got glasses? Let me see.
But they got black.
Oh, we got broken glasses. I think I know who we're getting.
I think it's going to be sad.
We got glasses. Open up some more.
Okay, let's put this down here.
Yes. I think we got Cheeky Hedgehog.
Cheeky hedgehog. A carrot.
We got a carrot scooper. Okay, open this door, baby.
You cut this one?
I did cut this one.
Need something else?
So we got glasses, a pooper scooper. What else, Letty? What?
They have another one?
Another pooper scooper? 2 pooper scoopers? So we got another carrot pooper scooper.
That's strange.
That is strange. Oops. That rolled out. Oh, look it. We did get Cheeky Hedgehog.
They have another hedgehog.
Cheeky Hedgehog.
They have another
There's
one.
another one. Oh,
A coconut pet.
we got a coconut purse. How cute is that?
Can I take off the pet?
Yes, Letty.
It's coconut cutie.
We got coconut cute Coco Hammy.
I'll get
We
that
got
one.
Coco Hammy and Cheeky Hedgehog. Oh my gosh, how cute is that, guys? So let's see, they both color change. So let's put them in the freezer.
Can we open the stand?
Open up the sand, I'll put them in the freezer, okay? Okay, come on. See who we got. What's
Maybe
inside
they
the
got-
sand?
2 accessories. It's accessories.
Let's go ahead. Okay, so dig it up.
I think we got 2 accessories.
What is it, Abby?
2 phones?
2 phones? Wow. Uh-oh, where'd you drop?
Oh,
So
I
we
dropped
got-
my scooper.
Beach Baby sunscreen.
Yeah.
Because you know Coconut Cutie likes to go on the beach. So Beach Baby sunscreen. And we got Cheeky Babe's phone. It says Punk's Not Dead. And
That Punka Boy pet.
she's getting a call from Mrs. Skunk. Ooh. So you like it, baby?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me see them.
We're back and we got
Let's see them.
Coco Hammy. And she has an adorable flower lay on.
I think there's no
See all the orchid? That's so cute. See, she does a warm color change.
See, change back.
She changes back.
Let's
So
see
let's
the
see a hedgehog. Cheeky hedgehog. So she got another color. And then her eyes. So cute. And then the black bracelets on her arms. So adorable. Sad they didn't color change. They did color change, just cold color change. No heat color change. But that's okay. Which is your favorite?
My favorite is both of them.
Both of them. I really love Coco Hammy's color change with the cute little flower lace.
Can I see it?
The flower lace. And
Let's see the sample.
Cheeky Babe's pet
Hot.
is cute. Cheeky hedgehog. Yeah, that's the one, baby. So cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe.
Bye.